देश में गच्छित अच्छी 69 दिन तेल यथेष्ट मात्रा एलएनजी उपलब्ध थिबा मध्य सूचना रही। पेट्रोलियम मंत्री हरदीप सिंह पुरी बड़ बयान आसुची। देश में 45 दिन एलपीजी रही मौजूद। देशवासी को छानिया न हेबा पई पेट्रोलियम मंत्री परामर्श देइछन्ति। विदेशी मुद्रा संचय पई पेट्रोल डीजेल रो व्यवहार कमाइबा पई कहिछन्ति। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी देशवासी को परामर्श देबा परे लोकंक मध्य छनका पशिछि। आगामी दिन में घोर तैल संकट देखा दे पारे बोली आशंका सृष्टि होइतिबा बेले देशवासी को आश्वस्त करिसेंति केंद्र पेट्रोलियम और प्राकृतिक गैस मंत्री एवं शिल्प महासंघ सीआईआई रा वार्षिक सम्मेलन में उद्बोधन दे केंद्र मंत्री कहिसेंति देश में इंधन एवं रंधन गैस जोगाण स्वाभाविक रही। एसहित सरकार एलपीजी उत्पादन बढ़ाई। पूर्वर दैनिक 35 रु 36 हजार टन एलपीजी उत्पादन होता। वर्तमान दैनिक एलपीजी उत्पादन 54,000 टन को वृद्धि करा जायछि। बड़ सूचना रहुछि जेउठी देश में 69 दिन तेल गच्छित रहितिबा बेले गैस मध्य 45 दिन एलपीजी गच्छित रहितिबा सूचना दैछन्ति। पेट्रोलियम मंत्री तैल जोगाण को नहीं व्यतिव्यस्त न हेबा पई मध्य परामर्श दैछन्ति।
Let me tell you categorically, we have no supply side problems. Today, the country has more than enough stocks of crude oil, LNG and LPG. When this crisis began, there were some concerns, but we converted the challenge into an opportunity. We have ramped up our domestic production of LPG, which used to be 36,000 metric tons per day. We have now taken it up to 54,000 metric tons per day. All of you live in Delhi or you travel around the country, you must have seen there are no shortages anywhere. Some of my friends tried to say that, oh, some shortage is coming and therefore you should do some buying. That was also short-lived. Today I can tell you that this situation, in the last 4 years, there has been no increase in prices. Today we are in a situation, we don't know how long the blockades or counter blockades in the Strait of Hormuz will continue, but I can tell you categorically that today we are in a situation where, unlike other countries in the world, which have had to either face severe problems in terms of availability and supply, or where prices have gone up 50-60%, the Honorable Prime Minister's statement is very visionary. It looks to the future, that if this were to continue, we also have to look at what we can do in terms of lifestyle changes. And I think, as I mentioned in the CII session this morning, I warmly welcome the support that the CII corporate executives have given to that call. There are certain activities which we can curtail. It's not that something is going to happen. That's all negative, panic-creating activity. I can tell you, as somebody who's more involved in this, I review the situation every day along with the CMDs of the oil sector for an hour and a half. My next meeting is at 2 o'clock with them. There is absolutely no cause for anxiety, but we should, going forward, we don't know how long this will take, and also be very clear that this prolongation of this is creating a fiscal strain. My oil companies are losing 1,000 crores a day. Their under recoveries are in the tune of nearly 1,98,000. So we will have to start worrying about these things, and in that we should. Some demand for LPG has come down. It used to be 90,000 metric ton. It has come down to 75. Some of it is because of the temperature. But even otherwise, I think prudent supply and demand side, we have done very well, and I have no reason to believe that we will not do well in the future. But we should, certain activities which can be curtailed without this thing, please listen to what the Prime Minister said, and it's a very visionary statement going forward. We should bear that in mind.